All right, 2020 Mack Anthem. Truck has 549,119 miles on it. It's got 15,071 hours. Yeah, we'll go through everything real quick. So window on this side works. Try the mirror on this side. So mirror on that side works. Try it over here on this side. Oh, there we go. So the mirror's working. Try the window on this side over here. That's working. Washer fluid. You know what? She's missing an arm, so we'll get a. I think he said that they've got another one here for that. So they just take it for another truck, I guess. I don't know. Has full diff locks on it. AC's on, blowing cold.
VIP going fast. Teacher chickens today, September 27th.
Radio works. Does have a check engine light on. See if I can get check transmission next stop, and then check engine faults. So not sure what those are. Truck seems to run and drive fine, but yeah, it does have those. So I didn't get the hood latch. But anyway, reverse. I mean, it does start and run and drive. They were using this, so just got to latch the hood. But if you have any questions, let me know.